Make a great choice today with the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, roof rails, remote engine start, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, ambient lighting, perimeter alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.